Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, you'll find all my tips and tricks on how you can lose weight eating ketogenically. Today is Sunday, September 22nd, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome everyone. So like I said before, this channel is all about tips and tricks on how you can lose weight on keto. But on this channel, I also document my own keto weight loss journey. And that's what this video is, my Sunday check-ins. I check in with everybody on how my week has gone, let everybody know if there's any changes I'm gonna make, and of course, do the weigh-in. First off, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Matt and Mega of Keto Connect for asking me to be a part of their latest collaboration on ordering at restaurants. It was really fun to be asked and I enjoyed it so much and I'm so grateful. So if you're new here from Matt and Mega's channel, welcome. Welcome to the family. I'm so glad you're here. I'd like to help you out any way that I can. So I hope you'll stick around, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and join the Keto Chaos family because we have a great community here and I'm sure you're going to be happy. So how did this week go for me? Well, I have to say it's gone very well in September for me. I have been able to keep my macros in check. So if you're new here, what I kind of do is I follow a macro tracked form of keto that is protein prioritizing. So what I mean by that is that I make sure to hit my proteins and I don't worry as much about my fats. I try to keep my fats on the lower end to burn body fat when I am trying to lose weight. And so for the month of September, I have actually been extremely good at tracking my macros, better probably than I have been since the very beginning of my journey almost 3 years ago. I began my weight loss journey on January 1st, 2017 at 374 pounds. As you can see, I've definitely changed a lot since I began. I started YouTube after losing my first 100 pounds because I wanted to share everything that I've learned with the world and help other people have the same success that I have had. And since then, it has become one of the most important parts of my life. YouTube and you guys and my followers have become some of my most important people, and I'm so grateful every day that you are here. So, like I said, this week was really, really great for me. I was really focused. I was really staying on point. And I have to admit, it was also really difficult for me emotionally. For some reason, I have had a really difficult time this week. I have had a lot more food cravings. I haven't felt like I was keeping up with my electrolytes as well, even though I have been taking more than the recommended amounts, more than I usually take. I just feel like I haven't been able to stay on top of things as well this week, but I didn't give in. I didn't cave. I didn't eat any extra fat. I just ate what I planned to eat and I did really well. You guys know I'm on a mission to hit 200 pounds lost. And I bet you're all wondering if I finally made it this week. If I don't make it this week or next week, I probably will explode. I feel like I have waited forever, and it hasn't been forever. You guys know I have taken time off from my weight loss journey and have done maintenance calories a lot of time over the last 18 months. And so I didn't expect it to happen super fast like it did the first 100 pounds. I lost the first 100 pounds in 8 months. And since then, it has been a little bit more slowly. The first year, I lost 138 pounds. So I guess what I'm leading up to is let's see what the weigh-in was like for me today. And then we'll talk about it and see if there's anything I'm going to change for this week. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 174.6 pounds. And guys, I'm calling it official. The reason why I'm calling it official is that actually yesterday I was 173 and I actually recorded a video for you guys with my full reaction on when I actually hit the 200 pounds lost, which was Friday. I actually recorded my reaction and made a whole video for you guys, which will be available on Patreon tomorrow. So if you're not already a Patreon subscriber, if you're not already one of my awesome Patreon fam, I am going to link that in the about section below. So be sure to check it out if you are going to want to see my reaction to losing 200 pounds finally. And I have to say, my reaction was surprising and it wasn't what I expected. And it's been kind of hard for me actually to wrap my brain around. I have had a lot of emotions the past couple of days. I have been all over the place, all over the map with my emotions. I'm not exactly sure I can put a finger on exactly why I didn't react the way I thought I would, but you'll have to watch that video to find out. But as of today, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm still kind of weirded out by the whole thing. I don't know, maybe it's because it feels like my journey is over, or like I hit my like hugest goal that I never ever thought that I would ever in a million years hit. And now what? Right? Like, now what? I'm like, now I have to really evaluate, is this as far as I want to go? Do I need to go further? How do I feel about staying at this weight? Am I comfortable 100% with how I look? All of that is going to be on my mind and has been on my mind for the past couple of days. So I'm going to be doing a lot of soul searching about where I want to go from here. And I didn't really expect to feel that way. I expected to just be like chill and happy, and I didn't expect to be so weirdly torn. But I have been having a lot of discussions with myself the last couple of days. So anyway, I did promise you that when I hit 200 pounds lost, I will do a skin reveal. I have kept my loose skin pretty hush-hush around here. I haven't really shown a lot of it as I have progressed. A lot of that centers around my religion. I'm a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and we are very modest, and I don't really like to show my body. But aside from that, I'm really uncomfortable without how my skin looks. But I will say this. I have watched a lot of videos on women that have shown their skin after 200-pound loss, and I will say I think that my skin is a lot less than I initially would have thought it would be based on those videos. So I will be doing that. I mean, like, it seriously makes me hyperventilate. I will be doing it. I'm going to force myself to do it because I promised you guys that I would do it, and I am going to do it. I just don't know exactly when I'm going to get it done. So it might be before next week's weigh-in, but it might not. I'm not sure. And it will go up on Patreon, of course, before it goes up for YouTube, because that's how I do all of my extra videos. So again, if you want to see that first, be sure to get over there and join the Patreon family, because you get to see all the fun stuff first if you're a Patreon. Last but not least, next week, I will be doing my 200-pound loss slideshow with all of my pictures. If you've seen my 189-pound lost slideshow, or even the one from a couple of weeks ago, you will see what I have done, where I took pictures every 4 weeks, pretty much almost my entire journey. There was a couple of times I skipped a few months because I was doing maintenance, and I didn't really see the need to keep photographing myself when I wasn't trying to lose weight. But I will be doing the official 200 pounds loss slideshow on next week's weigh-in, so I hope you will stick around. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll see when my videos come out. I am ecstatic. I am super excited. I am so proud of myself. I just feel like on top of the world. And I hope that you guys feel the same. And I really wish all of you the best on your journey. I do have resources for those of you who are looking to lose weight yourself. If you need any help and guidance, the very first one we have available is my Facebook group, where I have a how-to guide, an easy step-by-step how-to guide, along with a macros chart that is available 100% free right on my Facebook page. The link, of course, is in the About section below. Also, if you do not have Facebook, you are welcome to email me at ketochaos@gmail.com and ask for the macros chart, and I will send it on over completely free of charge. I don't ask for any kind of payment. I just ask if you feel like you want to donate to the channel, to join the Patreon, if you want to send me a PayPal, the ketochaos@gmail.com, if you want to just show your appreciation that way. I'm all about that kind of thing, but I'm not going to charge you for my information because, number one, it's totally free for me, because Dr. Finney puts all of his research out on vertahealth.com, and I'm grateful to him for all of his wonderful hard work over the past 20 plus years on researching keto and the best ways to do it, to reduce type 2 diabetes and help burn body fat so fast, because this is the fastest way to burn body fat. If you're new here, I also have a playlist on how to get started, a beginner's playlist on my front page. And last but definitely not least, I do offer personal coaching. I currently have one slot available. It's $120 for 4 weeks, and I will personally coach you, talk to you every other day or so, and make sure and check in with you, be your accountability partner, whatever you need. I will do that for you if you would like personal coaching. So go ahead and send me an email if you're interested in that, ketochaos@gmail.com. I guess that's it, you guys. I'm so glad you all are here and my journey with me. I know this is a really good video, and I'm really, really ecstatic. They're not always so positive and happy and good. A lot of times it's kind of depressing. But hey, this is just proof that patience will win out. I have been telling you guys, keep going. I've been telling you guys, don't believe the scale. And check it out. And you know what? I can't even remember what I weighed in last week, so I don't even know how many pounds lost it is. I think it's at least 2.5 pounds down, which means I'm down at least 10 pounds in the last 3 weeks. 3 weeks. And all summer I stayed the same. So you just never know. You just never know. Just keep on plugging. I could tell by how I looked that I was going down. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent again, and I was trying to close this vlog. I'm just super excited and pumped about the Keto Connect video. It was so nice to be featured on Keto Connect. Thank you again, Matt and Mega. And of course, about hitting my 200 pounds. Yes, finally. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.